I'm pleased to be joined today on Health Beat by Dr. Jason Bailey, a podiatrist specializing in foot and ankle surgery with Faith Regional Physician Services Orthopedics in Norfolk. And we're talking about bunions. So what are the common causes of bunions and how do you treat them with your patients?
Thanks, Rob. It's a pleasure to be with you today.
Pleasure to have you.
Bunions, tend to be one of the most common things that come into the office for a foot and ankle surgeon. Whether it's men or women, we see it in both. But this is a deformity in the foot, in the first, what we call the first metatarsal and the great toe, which make up the large toe joint in the foot. And what we see in patients is a progressive, widening of the foot, and the big toe starts to move over towards the second toe. And what most people complain of is this large bump that is forming on the outside of their great toe joint. That becomes very painful, especially with shoe gear. Patients tend to buy new shoes, wider shoes, wear sandals during the summertime to ease the pressure. But this is definitely a problem that tends to get worse before it gets better. Conservatively, we talk about wearing different shoes, wider shoes, as we had mentioned. There are bunion splints that can be worn that help kind of pull the toe into a straighter position. But this is a deformity that is most commonly treated surgically. It's very difficult to treat it conservatively and have great success. Up here, we have our X-ray of a bunion, and you can see the long bone is the first metatarsal on the inside, and then that big joint with the proximal phalanx is the big toe. And you can see how there's a little out pouch of skin on the inside of that first metatarsal head. And that's where that bunion deformity is forming, and that's where people have a majority of their pain. So surgically, we fix these with what's called an Austin osteotomy or a bunionectomy. And essentially what we do, you can see on this post-operative radiograph, so this was taken right after surgery, we have cut the first metatarsal head right at the neck, and we have shifted it over closer to the second metatarsal, and then we put 2 screws in there to stabilize that bone cut while it heals. And if you notice on this X-ray, her toe is now straight.
Yes.
If you look, in reference to the first metatarsal, and that toe has now been pulled away from the second and relieves all that pressure on the side of the toe, which is what the patient comes in complaining of for her pain, his or her pain.
Sure. So a successful procedure.
Successful procedure.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
To learn more about clinic locations, specialties, and providers, visit frpsclinics.org.